Evening, everyone. How's everyone doing? Welcome to another Rocko live stream. Bitcoin's doing absolutely nothing, but crypto is pumping like crazy. I've just released 2 videos today. VeChain is pumping. If you watched our video earlier, ZILIQA is pumping. It might not be a bull run for Bitcoin, but altcoins are certainly pumping. If you have watched our previous videos, hopefully you're making some money. Some of the trades shared in the previous videos are hitting targets. So NIA is one from the last live stream, and Ethereum is another one that has pumped as well. So we're reviewing all these coins, guys. We'll take any coin requests, and we'll review Bitcoin. Hopefully we get some nice trades as well. So last week we got that Bitcoin trade. From here, I'll share with you another trade setup in Bitcoin as well. So let me post a link in all my social media, Twitter, Facebook, Reddit, all that places, Telegram groups, and we shall get started. Do comment below, guys, that you can hear me well. Whilst I'm doing all the posts, you can ask me questions about which coins we're buying. Hi mate, how's it going? Yes, very well, very well. Any of you bought ZILIQA? ZILIQA is the one that's going absolutely crazy. I actually haven't bought ZILIQA, which is a bit annoying. Hi from ZA. ZA, I'm not sure where's that, mate. We actually put the link on that. What coins are you guys trading today? Bitcoin analysis. Yeah, we'll start off with Bitcoin analysis long term. So that's how we start. Just giving a couple of minutes for people to join, and DYDX. Yeah, we'll have a look at DYDX. Just post this on Twitter. Hi there, mate. Yeah. ZILIQA. Everyone's asking about ZILIQA. We'll have a look at ZILIQA. I've just posted a video about ZILIQA. Good to see lots of you watching today. From India, how's it going? Beautiful country, India. Happy summertime. Yeah, it's good summertime. Right, I am live now, so in the Telegram group. So what's your thoughts on Bitcoin? Do you think Bitcoin goes up or down? Yeah, ZILIQA. I'm not. I said I missed ZILIQA. I said that I missed ZILIQA, unfortunately. Trading strategy wise, it is too late to jump into ZILIQA. I could do this while I'm here actually. There is a Telegram group as well if you guys want to check it out. The link should be below. You should get a notification. I know people say they miss my live streams. You should get a notification if you're joining. Right, let's get started. 48k soon. Yeah, hopefully we'll get 48k. Right, before I get started, can you guys just say you can hear me well? I'm gonna start. I'll be live for at least an hour, maybe even more. Just say that you can hear me well before I start talking for over an hour. So I'll start off with Bitcoin and then we'll look at all other. Major echo. Is it okay for everyone else? Someone's saying it's major echo. Right, let me try my other screen. Hello? Right, let me try my other screen. Very annoying. I mean, I've got quite an expensive mic. Alright, I'll get started. So I think it seems like a couple of people are struggling, but most people is fine. So if you do struggle, let me know because I don't want to talk for an hour and then you guys can't listen. So Bitcoin, let's just review last week. So my plan is to do this quick hour live stream on YouTube, and on YouTube I'll mainly focus on Bitcoin. That's the plan. So we'll do like a live stream where people have been enjoying it, and then we can talk about other markets as well. So for me, Bitcoin, guys, Bitcoin was here, and 40k was a big resistance. And once we got back above 40k, I was fairly bullish that we hit 42k and 45k. So that was the trade plan. If you watch our live stream, I shared this one from the previous live stream. No echo, that's awesome. Okay, we're live now anyway. So that was the plan, guys. So Bitcoin. I hope you're joking. So Bitcoin, that was the trade plan. Again, my trade setup is a pullback after trend change. So that was a trend change here. I buy pullback, stop below, nice hitting target. So that was the first trade. If you did take that trade, take half off. And if you again took that trade, I'll take another half off. I should have taken this half off on this spike. I wouldn't hold it past this spike because this is at resistance. We don't want to buy resistance. Simple trading. I don't teach anything complicated and indicators. I mean, I do Elliott waves and some indicators, but yeah, we'll have a look at ADA. I'll look at all your coin requests, guys. Do not worry. I'm very close to the mic. The thing is, I've been making videos all the time, and I don't know if it's something to do with YouTube or my streaming platform. From my end, it looks fine. Even on my second screen, it looks fine. And KIBA has gone. I'll spend a bit of time on KIBA. So KIBA has gone absolutely parabolic, and this is just a meme coin. If you follow me on Twitter, I posted about KIBA around, what price was it? I think around 4,000 I got into KIBA, and it's just going up, up and up. I've taken half off, and I'll just let it go to the moon or whatever it happens. But I took half off, just below 6,000 I think I took half off, and I posted the KIBA setup. I'll share the KIBA setup with you. The KIBA just not made me as much money because I trade it with small position size. So this was our trading KIBA. Stop below was 3,400, as you can see. Nice move up. Stop below 3,400. This was posted. I mean, KuCoin doesn't really keep your chart up to date. Basically, when we were having this breakout, you can see that spike. I got in just above that spike and pumping. Anyone buying KIBA in this group, in this live stream? I've just been scam posting KIBA. Sound is good now. Okay, that's good. I think there must have been like a... this is a scam I just posted. By the way, guys, I'll never ask for money. Just to ban this guy. And just report him, please. And some people fall for this and never ever give anyone money, guys. Never ever. I'll never ask for money. Or you could join my YouTube membership or check out our Rockstar trading group for like a small fee, but I never ask for money. I'll never like trade for you. I don't provide that service. In the UK you need license to do that, so I'll never do that. So that was Bitcoin, guys, and I'll talk about all KIBA and all the coins, don't worry. So what am I looking for Bitcoin? Yeah, Litecoin trade is pumping. Keep getting distracted, don't I? I'll cover Litecoin a bit more. Lunatics, yeah, I spend time on Luna as well. It's going to be a long ass live stream. Make sure you guys stay tuned, guys. It's going to be a fun live stream. Usually when we see live streams, other cryptos aren't pumping, but today all the coins are pumping, so we'll review them. So Bitcoin is coming into resistance now, and if you've been buying Bitcoin, amazing. This is fun time for us. We want to see it break. I think if it breaks, guys, there could be a big short squeeze, because a lot of people here are going to try and short it, and there could be a really sharp move up, because see, rejected once, twice, 3, 4 times. Is it going to do another rejection here? Hi Elan, how's it going? Alan? Why did I say Elan? That sounded like French. Yeah, we'll talk about ZILIQA in a bit more detail, because lots happening with ZILIQA. So we'll do Bitcoin, and I'll spend after that all the time talking about your coins, and I'll share with you a couple of my coins as well. Some of the trades that we're in I want to share with you exact trades, because most people don't share how they trade. So I'll share with you some exact trades with targets and stop losses, how we're trading exactly. So that's my thoughts on Bitcoin. I think if my trade plan, I haven't really got a trade plan in Bitcoin at the moment. My trade plan was Ethereum, which I'll review, but gun to my head, we're still ranging here. I think we do this. If we break out, buy. So above 40, so above 45.7, I'd say 45.70, let's say 46k, above 46k I'm bullish, and use any trade setup to buy. Have any signal. It could be like an RSI breakout, or this is my indicator, trend change, Elliott waves, trend line break, whatever indicator you use, buy above 46k. I think there's a really strong chance we spike up and have a big move up to quick move up to like 50k. So that is the main trade I'm looking at. If it spikes up and sells off, if it fakes out, I'll take a loser, and that will be bearish. But for now, I think there's a good chance of short squeeze, and I think Bitcoin pumps. I know I titled this video Insane Bitcoin Breakout, but I should really say Insane Altcoin Breakouts, because altcoins are pumping. Theta, ZILIQA, VeChain, so many coins pumping. So it's more like ZILIQA going parabolic than Bitcoin going parabolic. But I'll review all those coin trade setups. But that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. Trade plan wise, I don't really have a trade plan. This is high time frame. What happens here is really key. If we break out cleanly and get daily, hourly closes above, I see Bitcoin hitting 50k, 52k, 60k in the next few weeks, which would be amazing. If we have a fake out breakdown, then we'll reevaluate. The way I trade, our trading strategy, we like to get in beforehand. So if you watched our previous live stream, I shared this 4-hour trade setup. Then you take profit, you sit back and enjoy your money. That's what I like to do. I like to get in early. So Bitcoin short term, again, I'm focused on Ethereum, and I'll review my Ethereum trade in a lot more detail for you guys. But for me, Bitcoin is chopping at the moment. If Bitcoin sells off early next week to like 42, 41k, I'm happy to bid some. I'm happy to buy some Bitcoin here with stop loss below 40k. The risk to reward would be good. But again, for me, I'm scalp trading. I'm at my desk all the time. I'm happy to look for short time frame setups, but that is a setup you can look for. So look at the daily moving average to hold, so around 42, 41k, look for the daily moving average to hold, and then we go for that 45, 46k breakout. If you're new, you don't have that much trading experience, just wait for a breakout above 46k, buy above there, learn any trading setup, trend line break, you can learn my setup, which is basically breakout, then pull back to a moving average and 50% 618 Fibonacci. That's the trade setup that I teach in my course. Look for something like that above there, and that could be your trade to get in. So Bitcoin, that's what I'm looking at high time frame. There is a chance we reject 46k. Gun to my head, I'd give 70% chance we have a big breakout move towards 50k. If it does reject, guys, and starts dumping, then I would be a bit worried if it's a fake out, but I'll update you guys after. Make sure, if you guys, about 20 people watching, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. If I have the support, I'll carry on doing these live streams, and my main job here is to show you actual real trading, not marketers that tell you they win 100%. And other thing, my goal is to make sure you don't lose money and you can stay in the game. Those are my two goals, and try to keep you on the right side of the market. I shared that Bitcoin buy signal. I'm going to get it wrong. I might be wrong here, but I want to keep you on the right side of the market so you can keep your money and experience a bull market where you can make life-changing money. So that's my goal. If you do enjoy this type of content, hit that like button. That's my thoughts on Bitcoin, guys. For me, I traded Ethereum, and I'll share my Ethereum trade in a bit more detail. And watch this video, so this is not after the fact. I did share my Ethereum trade. So Ethereum, last live stream I wrote Ethereum above 3k is a buy. So I'll share with you exactly when I bought Ethereum. Give me a couple of seconds. Just finding our Ethereum trade. So this is our Ethereum trade. If you watch the previous live stream, I said above 30k, 3k is buy. Gave a 4-hour pullback to 50% 618, the example that I drew. Nice move up. So that was my first trade. You can see I've taken a scalp long. I took half off around 31.20. As you can see, it was a weekend. I was going away for the Friday night, so I wasn't going to be at my desk. This is as it was going up. So this was all my posts. This was the first post, bullish above. As long as no trend change below 28k, stop loss below there, I'm bullish. So I'm still in this trade. I still like this trade. I think this moves higher. My first target is being hit now, which is around here, which is hitting our first target. The second target for me is around 32.90, and I'll still hold this as long as we go there. And I'm preferring the Ethereum trade more to Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been quite choppy. Before I go into altcoins, and I'll look at all your altcoins, the ZILIQA, Cardano, the coins that we're trading in the Rocko trading group. But before I get into this, just pray to God. Just everyone on this live stream, just say Bitcoin don't dump. As long as Bitcoin don't dump, some of the trades I'll share with you, you guys will wake up a lot richer next week. So our dream is Bitcoin don't dump. We are allowing one pullback towards 41k, but if we start breaking below 41k, I think the altcoin trades I'm going to share with you won't work. So just pray to God, I don't know what to say. I'll write it. Please, I'm not a religious person. Please, God, Bitcoin don't dump. I'll type it in now. Alts will make us richer next week if BTC above, I'd say 41, 42k. Ideally a breakout. So that's the update on Bitcoin and the whole market. SPX had a nice strong close as well, and this is the reason why I posted so many altcoin setups last week, because SPX's trend changed on the daily and potentially the weekly time frame as well, depending on how you define trend. It's really strong weekly closes in SPX. Whole week last week, we held above there. Really nice stuff. And as long as we, hold SPX above 44k, this is bullish. And SPX, Bitcoin don't dump. Yeah, if Bitcoin don't dump, we'll be a lot richer. And SPX, really nice close. And SPX, I've explained with you that Bitcoin and SPX are very, they follow each other, very highly correlated. When Bitcoin's pumping, SPX is usually pumping. When Bitcoin and SPX, they usually dump together. So they're very highly correlated. So as long as SPX is holding above here, daily MA, Bitcoin holding above 41, 42k, I am bullish on crypto next week, and I've got a few trade plans to buy even more crypto. So do you guys want me to start looking at your coins? Let's start with Luna, because if you guys follow me, Luna is probably the most popular coin on my channel. So why not talk about Luna? So Luna, I do trade Luna on Twitter as well, because I've got crazy lunatic following. Recently, KIBA is going crazy, and I'll talk about KIBA a lot more. This was the trade I posted on KIBA about 3-4 days ago. I do share more information on Twitter as well, so check us out there. But let's talk about Luna first. So Luna, I would love a pullback, guys. If we get a pullback into 75, 70, I'm going to buy Luna again, and I think that holds before the new all-time high break. Gun to my head, I'm pretty confident Luna breaks out. I posted this meme chart on Twitter, but I say it's a meme chart, but it is an important chart. Let me share that, see if I can find it. Mohammed, are you a lunatic? Do you follow me on Twitter for Luna charts? So I posted this meme chart. I call it meme chart, but they end up working. Yeah, Atom is annoying, man. I think, well, Luna uses the Cosmos ecosystem, so the Atom's ecosystem, but Luna's just not as bullish. So Atom is just not as bullish because Atom don't have very good value accrual. Please cut down. Shall I say amen? I'm not very religious, but I can say amen. But yes, Atoms, the coin doesn't have very good value accrual. Same as like Link. Link is an amazing project. I think about 60-70% of all cryptocurrencies use Link, but Link is not pumping, and that is again because Link do not have. Yeah, 41k should be okay. What did you change from? Again, please don't follow me blindly. Or did you change below $50, below $5? When did you change? So yeah, Luna has better. It just has better tokenomics, better value accrual. The token's valuable. You have to burn Luna. Supply decreases when the USD demand goes up. Atom is okay, not as good. Link, there's no Link staking. The Chainlink team are every day there's a YouTube video explaining this. Chainlink selling their own tokens, which causes a dump. There's lots of reasons why those coins pump. Just Luna's got everything perfect. But yeah, this was my meme chart. So I don't know if we have another sell-off to like 76k or 76k 70 or $50, but I'm pretty confident we're going to see a breakout in Luna, and I don't think the Luna top is in. This does not look like a top to me. Top to me would be like another spike up to 160, 180 and then dump. And I said the same thing about AXS, if you guys remember. Where's AXS? Lots of people were calling for AXS top at 100, and look at what AXS did. AXS pumped up to 160, then it topped out. Okay, that's not a bad decision, mate. Awesome. Really well done. Hopefully you've taken some profits as well. So my Luna trade, so when I shared that Luna trade at 50, and congratulations Mohammed for taking that trade. Again, this is, so I'm going to come back to ZILIQA, but take a screenshot of this chart and I'll explain what my thoughts are on ZILIQA. Let me finish Luna. So Luna, I actually did sell, and I don't say this on Twitter, I did sell Luna around here. So from 95 and 98, I sold quite a bit of Luna. There were RSI divergence set up here, and I'll share with you another amen in Luna. But the point is, the risk reward now, you could sell Luna at 98, 99 and buy Luna above 105, and the risk reward then, you're just paying up about 5-6%, but then you can buy it back cheaper, buy it back 20% cheaper. So that's what I said, and Twitter was like, oh, you're not a real lunatic. But I love Luna, I want Luna to succeed, but I like making money more, and big players don't care about you. They'll dump on you to make money. Like, honestly guys, they don't give two shit, like, sorry for swearing, but they literally don't care about us. So my thoughts in Luna now, I would probably like a bigger sell-off into like 70, 75 and then buy. Or I'll just use my trend following strategy and keep buying on a trend change above 100. If you don't own any Luna, look to buy back here. There is a chance it could fake out and dump and you lose 10-15%, but the risk reward there is huge. I said the same thing down here. We broke out, pumped like crazy. You know, this was amazing. I said, look, just buy above there. It broke out, and all the news that's happening, I think Luna can break out again. So that is my trade setup on Luna. Around here, I'm not sure. Maybe another dip, maybe take some profits, but have some alerts set. And definitely don't sell all Luna. I still own some Luna that I bought that I'm staking, and you've seen my videos on Luna staking. I'm gonna make another Luna staking video on Mars protocol. That's where I'm putting my money in next. But I'm sure you've seen my Luna staking videos. I go around how to make money even in bear markets. There's some amazing strategies you can follow, and obviously mirror anchor protocol. I'm predominantly a trader. I trade full time forex as well. I'm back trading forex with crypto being quiet, but I'm just switched back to crypto again with some actions past few days. And but I've made more money using DeFi staking if I had just held and traded. So next bull market, I'll be doing a lot of DeFi and play to earn games, because you need to do what makes you money. And wish I had done Luna staking even beforehand. Matic, I know someone who turned about 5 figures into like very big six-figure sum, like almost close to $1 million, by just getting in Matic early, using all the staking and farming on Matic. For me, I got into Luna here, and I started doing Luna staking, the mirror protocol, anchor protocol, and I probably made 2-3 times more money than if I just traded and held my position. So look into that. I'm still learning, and hopefully next bull market I'd be able to capitalize on that. Yeah, I think there is. If Luna breaks $100, I expect a quick move for Luna to 125 to 133. This is my fib target for Luna if Luna breaks out. But trade setup wise for Luna, so this is resistance, right? I'm not sure if I'll buy here. Maybe a sell-off. I'll share with you like an RSI divergence trade. Again, these are my RSI divergence trade strategy. My main strategy is a moving average pullback, but the other strategy I teach is RSI divergence. So something like RSI divergence, I'll look for another setup. But for now, if Luna starts breaking back above here, I need a trend change. Then I'll look for pullback. Same setup, guys. Why? If someone keeps changing their trade strategy, then their strategy doesn't work. The same strategy I shared, and if you think, oh, Rocko, you sharing the trade from the Rocko trading group is actually true, watch the previous live stream on YouTube. I shared the live trade, and I looked for the same thing for our pullback here. This was my trade. Nice move up. So that's my thoughts on Luna. Let's talk about ZILIQA now, right? Let's talk about ZILIQA. Any ZILIQA fans here? What a monster. I've not made money on this. I've not traded this, unfortunately. Oh, come on, man. The scammers are everywhere. And I'm like a very small YouTuber. I don't even call myself a YouTuber. I like to say I'm a trader. I don't like to say I'm a trader. I'm a YouTuber. I just enjoy YouTube, like interacting, because trading can be a boring job. So helping people make money, to help someone, I don't want to say I help. There's about 100, 200 people in my group, and people that invest in their time, do the hard work, take the risk, actually make money. But there are people that changed their life, moved away to Thailand, Australia, living their dream life, and it's just amazing if I can help a few more people. And my main job is not for scams. Let me just ban this guy again. I think I don't know how he does that. Report and ban. If you guys can report him as well, please. It's just positive vibes, and he's just doing all these posts. It's just very annoying. Okay, anyone bought ZILIQA? Any ZILIQA fans? Thanks, Luca. Appreciate that, mate. It's just very annoying when they're scammers. But 25 people watching now. Do hit that like button, guys. Let's see if we can get it to 50 likes today. You in the ZILIQA trade now? What's your entry, mate? Amazing, guys. You guys are out trading me. I'm not in ZILIQA at the moment. Crow, I like Crow. I'll talk about Crow, and Crow is one I've missed. So there's so many ways of making money in cryptocurrency. You can't do it all. It's just impossible to do. There's so many ways of making money. I haven't traded Crow myself. I'm being completely honest. I've taken trades in Crow, but I've not. Okay, so I'll share with you some trades I took in Crow. Back in here, I've took some trades in Crow, but this breakout, I've not in. And I think Crow goes higher. Their marketing is crazy. I think, are they sponsoring the Football World Cup? I think Crow, let me see if I can find it. Crow is, Google up here. It's not Crow Crypto. I'm sure it is. Yeah, Crypto.com is this official sponsor. How big is that? A billion people watches football, the proper football. I love my American friends. Crow is everywhere, absolutely. And I mean, the thing is for me, I like to get in coins cheap. And like Luna, I love Luna. I'm still long Luna. Yeah, S, appreciate that. Yeah, hit that like button, mate, and subscribe to the channel. So hopefully we see you in the future. My plan is to do a lot more of these going forward. I do enjoy the YouTube live streams. They are everywhere. Yes, Bitcoin 2020. They're absolutely everywhere. And what's the coin market cap for Crow? Let's check that as well. Yeah, it's 18. The market cap is huge, and Luna is in top 10. That's the only thing, when I posted about Luna, Luna was a lot lower. And I just like to get in things before everyone else talks about it. That was the only thing. But yeah, Crow is everywhere. I just miss Crow, unfortunately. I've not made as much money from Crow. But yeah, I'll probably be watching Crow. Let me set an alert in Crow. If Crow breaks above here, I think this will rally this daily close. I'll set an alert. Crow to top 10, yeah, it could be. I'll set an alert in Crow. I'll see if I can trade Crow. There's someone in my group. I mean, he's got the Crow. He's got the Crow. Has anyone got the Crow wallet? So they spend Crow and then they get Crow by spending it. There's like a exchange you can use on your phone, a Crow wallet to spend money on. That is pretty cool. I wish I had done it. He started doing that here back in like 2020. So he's been getting Crow, which was nothing, and it was just dumping. And then look at now, ridiculous. Why does that matter? I said I'm just a shy person, but I'm happy to show my face. I said maybe 50k subscribers, maybe I'll show my face, but it doesn't matter. As long as you can make money from it. I'm not even like, asking for money. I'm just saying that hit the like button and subscribe. And if you want to trade and join the community, that's great. But I'm not asking for money. Does it matter what race I am? That's funny. Anyway, so yeah, Crow's good. Let's go back to ZILIQA then, right? We're looking at ZILIQA, weren't we? So ZILIQA has a big news. So ZILIQA's news is this. Yeah, but the rewards aren't as good though, is it? Staking Crow to get Luna. What's the percentage reward? Post the link here or in the Telegram group. We can look at it live. So this is why ZILIQA is pumping, and my thoughts on it long term, and I prefer to get in again. As someone else posted, I think it's too late to get into ZILIQA. This candle is just scary. This is a scary candle to me. I can't buy that. As a trader, I can't buy that. Yeah, I'm interested as well. People are just questioning my race. That's crazy. I am British. Yeah, I'm from down south. I'm from near London, just outside of London. Yeah, let us know about the crow. I'm interested in crow. So ZILIQA. So people are. If you're new to trading, if you buy ZILIQA, there is a chance that it just breaks out without a pullback. But knowing crypto, it usually doesn't. And even if it does, the risk reward, where would you put your stop loss? I wouldn't know how to trade that. So the way I would trade this is for trading ZILIQA, I would wait for a pullback. What I do, I'd wait for something like that, and I can give you hundreds of examples. Ken Terry, okay, yeah, that's cool. I've got when I was younger, I lived in Richmond area for a bit. I'm not rich, but my auntie is very rich, and she lives in Kew Gardens. Very, very nice part of London. Very, very nice part of London. So yeah, look at what happened. Crazy pump, and not as crazy as ZILIQA. ZILIQA is an even crazier pump, and then look at how it's rejecting. So I expect something like this to see in ZILIQA, and then if it chops something like this, trend change, buy that. I think that will moon. So this is what I'm expecting ZILIQA to do from my trading experience. And if this news is bullish and it's going to be long-term bullish, not just like a pump and dump. Okay, so it'll be similar neck of the woods. Bitcoin 20, where is this link? Let's Google, right? Stake Crow to get Luna. Okay, it comes up. 2 seconds. Yeah, 7 exactly, mate. I like your thinking. How long have you been trading? Just apologies if I'm pronouncing it Sen. Um, Not sure how long you've been trading, but yeah, that is exactly. If you've been trading it, this is where you take profit. I mean, one of the trades that we took earlier was layer. So we took a trade in layer, and I've actually sold layer now. I think this pounds, by the way. Thanks, Adam. Um, this is a small cap I'm sharing with you from our group. This is a coin that I'm long still. I'm still holding 50%. I'm looking to buy more. This is a small cap that I think will pump a lot. It's hit target. Look how long in March 20 up my, it took about 5 days for me to hit target. This was the post where I was long layer unilayer. I think this pumps a lot. Even an hourly or 4 hourly close above here, look to buy it. Stop would go there again. Now, I think this pumps. Look at where it's accumulating from. I've got this, by the way. Yeah. Yeah, but send it to me. I think on I don't know if you can. This is weird. So you can post like scams on YouTube comment, but you can't post like a link. It's very annoying. So let's go back to ZILIQA. Let me do a poll now. Would you buy ZILIQA now? Let me ask you guys. Let's see what you guys think. I've just done a post. You guys even see it? I don't think it worked. I was gonna ask you guys if you would buy ZILIQA or not. Can I see what's people posting? And I'll share with you my trade plan after. Let me see how many people have. But yeah, a few people saying no. We got 7 votes. 40% saying yes. Why would you buy ZILIQA? It's too scary. I mean, to be fair, guys, I mean, you guys seem quite knowledgeable. Most people like FOMO in here, and I'm happy to buy a 5-minute trade, you know, in ZILIQA. But no buys, no long-term buys here. This is ridiculous. I mean, short-term buy, maybe if it like chops around, breaks out, buy that with stop below the low. Maybe like target that 1-to-1 trade. But no long setup now. Look at the RSI. What would the forest... Like, when was ZILIQA's... This is crazy. Let's do this. This is a simple analysis you guys can do yourself. So when's the... Let's try and find the last time ZILIQA's RSI was that high. And I don't usually do use indicators as much. So ZILIQA's RSI in its history has never been that high. No, we can't, mate. If you message, you can post it in the Telegram group or message me on Twitter. I'll share it with you. DM me on Twitter, I can share it with you. Or I think I will have to post it. For some reason, this is weird. They let that scammer post, but like they don't let you post. Yeah, I'll have a look at Gala next. But can you see that we've not seen a 4-hour RSI that high in history of ZILIQA? Yeah, I'll have a look. But mate, I'll have a look at all your coins, mate. Don't worry, I'll have a look at all your coins. And same, even history of there. So previously, when it's been this close, so let's check previously what happened when RSI has been that high. So last time RSI was high was here. It sold off. Let me draw a line there so we can go back and review. What was that? I'd say this one was a spike up as well. So let's draw it here. This is how I learn trading. And everything that I teach, I've just back tested, I've trialed, and this is what I do every day. Okay, so we've done our analysis. Now let's go back onto the chart. Come on. This is annoying me. So these were the other times when RSI was that high, and that was literally the top. It dipped about 50%. It dipped about 50% there. So I think people are changing now, about 30, but still 38% people that they'll buy. Well, here it didn't really work, did it? Here it dipped only 20% and pump. So there is a possibility, which I'm sharing, there is a chance that I haven't used it. I mean, the thing is, my trading strategy that I teach is usually demand and supply, understanding what the chart is saying and trying to trade that. KIBA fam, KIBA army, man. Lots of KIBA fans here. I've got like quite a few followers after posting about KIBA, which is pretty crazy. But yeah, I follow demand and supply, I follow trend change, and I do use indicator, I use RSI. RSI is pretty cool to have, but again, my strategy, you don't really need an indicator. What I use is moving averages, RSI, and this is an indicator I created myself, just to... It uses different like MACD, RSI, stochastic RSI, and just created an indicator which helps to just see if it's going up or down. So if you look at, these up moves, can you see this up move, this tick up when light blue went over purple, it was the bottom. Check here as well. This is an amazing indicator I've created myself. But even with this indicator, you can't really make money unless you know the demand supply, when to buy, when the trend is, like the hype of social media and all of that. So this was again dipped. Well, it went up 36%, then dumped about 36%. Using this, you wouldn't really want to be buying. And this one actually was wrong. It carried on pumping another 50%. But using the information, I would like, what my bet is pull back, hold 3-4 red candles, then breakout. I'm buying. So that will be my plan for ZILIQA. Let's start looking at some other coins. So Cardano is a bit of a funny one. You bought off Kina. Right, let me share this post about you. So I posted KIBA, right? And it's just like a meme type token. So I posted about KIBA. I can't remember. Anyways, I posted it, went up 20%, and then I posted the exact trade setup in the rock. Let me share with you what I shared. Twitter, guys, is a bit of a meme zone. Please don't buy, because I'm saying to randomly buy. Twitter is, I do a lot of meme posting on Twitter, just to be completely honest. But this is my honest thoughts on KIBA. I did share a trade setup in the Rocko trading group with stop below there, and I did say this is a gambling token. This is the type of token that could 10x or go to zero. I know no fundamentals about it. I'm happy to hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, Luna, and a couple of other good coins. But this type of token is just quick in and out. So trade with small size. If you have a 10k account, trade just maybe $1,000 or $500 in it. If you have a 100k account, put a little bit more in, but please don't put a lot of money in into like a coin like KIBA. So just being completely honest, that's how I've traded KIBA myself, and I think I posted about this. Luna is like something I'm happy to hold for months and years potentially, unless there are things that I look out for Luna as well, some metrics, and I'll let you guys know if I see that. But yeah, that's my thoughts on that. So yeah, coming back to ADA, so a few people asking about ADA. So ADA, I share this trade setup. So I try and do a live stream on YouTube once a week, or at least a few times a month. I do like 3 to 4 live streams in the Rocko trading group. So this is a trade setup I shared. Same setup, I talk about trend change, pull back to MA, that 50% 618 zone, stop loss there, target there, trade hit. Really nice trade. I personally didn't take this myself. Some trades I take, so one of the trades I'm in at the moment is NIA. I can share this with you. So this was on NIA trade. I posted when I'm in. You can see the 22nd of March. I'm still in NIA. This is my NIA trade. Buying on that pullback and hit target. Cardano, I shared it as well. But I didn't take it myself. Wish I had, because it's just pumping. My plan has always been to buy Cardano above $1. So if Cardano can hold above $1, I want to buy Cardano. I think Cardano is bullish, and fundamentally, I don't like Cardano. So, few people are asking about Cardano. So, Adam, Sven, do you like Cardano fundamentally or just as a trade? George K, I like that. One does not trade KIBA. It's literally like a gamble to see if it pumps. But you joke about it, but I am up. I put very small money in. It's up 67%, which is pretty crazy. Yeah, what's your thoughts on Cardano? So there's a guy, oh, you like it both. Okay, I might be wrong on this. There's a trader in our group. He is very, very bullish on Cardano, and I am not. Fundamentally, I'm not the biggest fan of Cardano. And if you guys remember, I made most of my money in Cardano. I got like lots of YouTube subscribers as well from Cardano. If you watch my trade setup, my first trade setup was below 10 cent. This was a Shelly mainnet launch, if people remember, back in 2020. And I still own some Cardano, but fundamentally, I'm not I'm not the biggest fan, and I could be wrong. I just think they have lots of issues. They literally just launched the first app in Ada, and that had lots of issues. They are making some improvements. I like the stablecoin that they're launching. I do follow the project a bit, but I just think there's a lot of like marketing hype. If you look at the TVL, this is one of the metrics I look for. Let me just get this up for you. If you look at Cardano's market cap, like Cardano's like nowhere near like 25th of TVL, and market cap of Cardano is like top 10. So I use this technique to get like, I think this tripled in price FTM. So this is a metric that I look for. There's a lot of things in Cardano that it could be shady, but is it on Twitter, mate, or on YouTube? Where are you posting that? So yeah, I'm not a fundamental guy. Again, my background is trading. I used to trade forex. I used to trade oil full time. That's how I sort of like left my job back in 2018. So my background is trading. That's what I do. I know everything about, you know, Monday range, when it will break, London Open, what it does, especially oil, what happens on a Thursday, and all those stuff. Background is trading, looking at, you know, thinking about market psychology and all that. This is what I do full time. I'm not a fundamental guy, but from what I read, again, I've been in crypto since early 2017. That's just my thoughts. I could be wrong. You know, if they deliver, I'd love it. You know, Charles Hodgkinson made huge claims in Africa that they're trying to do. If they deliver all that, you know, I'll be the biggest buyer. I've made more money in Cardano than lots of other coins, but that's just my quick 2 cents. Oh, Twitter. Okay, let me have a look. So my latest post. Why have I got so many people love? I find it. I don't know where you post it, mate. I'll have a look maybe on next live stream. So right, Cardano inbox, right? Okay, let me. That will go onto my message request. Okay, you have sent it. Right, I'll post that link for you guys that Bitcoin 2020 just posted. Lunar Crow staking. Thanks, Bitcoin. Bitcoin. So I'll just call you 2020. Yeah, I'll have a look at all of those guys. So that's my thoughts on Cardano. I'm just waiting for a pullback. So I had some orders just below $1. I wanted to buy the $1 pullback. It didn't come in. Let's see if I get a pullback next week. If I get a pullback here, I'll look to buy. If it just dumps and breaks $1, breaks below 95 cents, I'll take a loser. But I am looking to buy this next week, and I'll post it in the group when I buy it. If it doesn't pull back, hopefully I get a setup above there. Maybe a lower high and then break out above 120, stop below $1, try and trade that to 150. I think, gun to my head, this goes to, well, this is my first target, which is already coming to, but I think it goes to 140, 150. So I like Cardano now. Fundamentally, whatever my thoughts is, I like it. Unfortunately, I didn't get the setup to buy. I would have loved to get a setup like this above $1. I'd be the biggest buyer if I got it. So that's my plan for Cardano. Litecoin, so I'm going to make a Litecoin video. I was going to make a Litecoin video today, but then ZILIQA went parabolic, so I made a ZILIQA video instead. So Litecoin, there was a post on Twitter that I said, or not on Twitter, YouTube. Watch my last Litecoin video. I said above $1 I am bullish. $1 above $100 I am bullish, and it hit $100. I did draw an X as well when I posted that trade. So on YouTube, I again shared with you my setups and stuff, and I posted this pullback setup. I said stop below there, and that stop's been holding. Hit my first target here, 110. Now it's breaking out. I think it heads towards here, like 140 zone next, and is bullish. Look for any pullbacks. You know, again, it's one of the live streams during the week that I do. Came back to 50% 618, which is what I was hoping Cardano would do. Unfortunately, it hasn't. So I was hoping Cardano to pull back to my 50% 618 zone so I could buy. It didn't, but Litecoin did. I personally bought Litecoin here, but that was the trade setup. Similar to some of the trade setups I shared, I bought Litecoin here and it just been rallying up. So I'm bullish on Litecoin. Long term, I don't like it as much as I used to, but I think Litecoin will do like a 3-4x leading up to the next Litecoin halving. And if you guys remember, this is free money, by the way, go watch these two videos or type in Shelly mainnet launch and watch these two videos. So Litecoin halving and Litecoin halving pump. I traded Litecoin live on YouTube, and you know, when I was learning to trade, I would have killed to have found someone that shares trades like I do, because most YouTubers don't. They don't tell you where their entry is, where their target is, and yeah, I would look to get in Litecoin again. But now there's so many coins I'm already in. I'm not in Litecoin at the moment. I mean, this could be a trade setup in Litecoin. This 4-hour pullback, target there, stop loss there. It needs to hold above there ideally. This is just a trade idea. It needs to hold above here. It should not get back below 110. That 4-hour pullback could be like a nice setup in Litecoin at the moment. Pancakes, oh. So if you guys remember, there was a joke in our group. If cake hit 100, I'd change my name to Pancake Swap. Change my name to Pancake Swap. Change the group name to Pancake Swap Trading Group instead of Rockstar Trading Group. And back in, you'll find it. There's a type in Pancake Swap. You'll see our trades. So we started buying pancake or cake around here, and I started staking cake around there, and I had like almost over 5 figures in just whole staking cake as well, and that grew up into like something huge. And then once it came here and this broke below, this is where I started selling, and I've not actually bought back yet. I said I was gonna buy it here, but I haven't. Wish I should have stuck to my strategy and bought. For me, I'd want to see a trend change now, and I'd probably want it above $10 because that is huge resistance. I think it goes up now, so I mean, this is breaking out now, so next pullback I'd buy. I think this comes into here, so this is like a trade idea if you want to look for this, something like this. But I'm not in it at the moment. Coins that I like is T-Fuel. I don't want to share like all the coins that we're in, but T-Fuel, it's almost hit my target. It come down. I think T-Fuel is a good buy. Theta is pumping, and when Theta pumps, T-Fuel like double pumps. So I think T-Fuel has a rally. I think T-Fuel heads up to like 25 cents. I think T-Fuel comes into these resistance. So I like T-Fuel. I like NIA. We're in a NIA trade. I posted, I mean, KIBA is not a trade, but I posted I still hold a little bit of KIBA as a bit of a joke. But yeah, right, okay. What other coins? How long have I been talking for? Today's live stream has gone really quick. I've been talking for over an hour. Any final coins, guys? I'll stay live for like another 10 minutes, 15 minutes. It's over to you guys. What coins do you want me to review? Just comment below any coins you want me to look at. I'll stay live for another like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and I'll just review your coins. Theta again, Theta KIBA. I didn't ignore your KIBA comment. How high can it go? Who knows, man? I'll be guessing like no one knows. 1 cent? Are you crazy? See, I've seen crazier things happen, but I don't think it will go to 1 cent. If it goes to 1 cent, the money that I have put in, how much would that be? And what is even 1 cent? I mean, I can't even fit it on my chart. It's like a 229,000%. Luca, are you from the Rockstar trading group? I think you're part of our group because I shared it. I've not shared it here. QTOM and Quant are two coins that I really like. No worries, mate. Just hit the like button, and yeah, I would like to grow this. This is something that I'm quite passionate about. So next couple of months, I'll try to grow this YouTube live stream. At one point, I had like 100 people watching during the bull market, but I was busy with my own trading. But yeah, I shared a QTOM trade setup. How do you know? How do you know that QTOM was good then? So QTOM, I'm long QTOM. QTOM's pretty good. Oh, last live stream. Okay, what a legend, Luca. Awesome. I mean, this is again. Obviously, I join my group. Again, I want to grow my community here, but you can see that people are making money just from watching my live stream. So use that as motivation of how this trading strategy that I've been working on for years works. Yeah, I'll have a look at GRS for you. Theta. So yeah, that's. I mean, I'd probably be like 6 figures in KIBA if that almost close to a millionaire if KIBA does that pump. Theta token, how high can Theta go? So again, has it got news? News is a big thing. Again, type in Theta 3.0. This is when this pump happened, and once we broke below here, I've not been interested in Theta. Once we appreciate that, Luca, mate. Again, that means a lot to me. Use me as a timer. Use me as a timer. How do you mean? What do you mean, Luca? I'm a bit unsure. But yeah, short term, I think this heads to $5. This is a weekly MA, daily 200 moving average. So I think that's where Theta goes short term. If it flips $5, then I would be getting interested in buying this as well. That would be a huge trend change. If we can break above here, this was the floor. Something I teach in crypto is call it the floor. This is the Theta floor that broke this $5. So if this breaks out above $5, that will be very, very big news. When I said one thing, in 2018. No worries, Luca. Appreciate that. Yeah, if you join, that's great. And I'm trying to build a community as well in there. So I learn from people like KIBA. Someone told me about. I got into Viz, Pegaxi. It's just a great community that we want to build and share with me some trade setups. But yeah, just to thanks, mate. Pinpoint. I don't think I'd want 100k, but yeah. Actually, no, that's a lie. I'd probably want it. I don't know, because I'm not really a social person, but yeah, coming back to Bitcoin, I said back in 2018 when I started this group that I was really confident that we're gonna see a big another altcoin season in 2018. I was pretty confident that we're going to see a big altcoin move again, and I said like 70-80% chance. And if you join my group, and I'll sell my group, check out, there's a trial you can trial for $30. At the start of next month, it won't be $40. So for 3 people, you can check out our group there's like a discount. It's not $40, so for $30 you can trial us. So check us out. That would go April 1st. That will go live for the first 3 people. But I said that I was really confident in 2018 that we're going to see a big move. And if you join now, you'll make money. These setups I'm sharing in Nia. Luca's just made some money on some of the coins. And there's always coins and you make money, but they're life-changing money. Turning like 10k into like big 6 figures, and making those crazy life-changing gains. You make them in an altcoin season. And my goal, I was like 80% confident we're going to see this, and I played this really well. I'm pretty confident we're going to see another move. I don't know if it's going to be this year we break out, or whether it's going to be like in 2023. I don't know when, but make sure you have capital in place so you can capitalize on it. Please don't go broke. If you have only $100 into your account, don't join the group, because you need to work hard, get a job, and make more money. You know, back in 2017, I had a job and I was like going to the toilet and trading. I'd wake up at 3 a.m. and like buy Bitcoin when the RSI was over. So it was ridiculous. I've told you my trading stories before, and maybe I'll say them in the future again. But that would be my advice for new people. Let's go through coins again. So thanks for the feedback, Luca. Inch. Hosier was GRS. I've not heard about GRS. Let's have a look at GRS. Grosso coin. I have traded this before. Or I've heard about it before. It's an old coin, isn't it? I'm not too sure about the chart. What's your trade setup on this Hosier? I'm not too clear on this. Short term, yes, it is breaking out. But this looks more like a spike. It needs to hold above here. And another thing, so many coins look like this. Like some of the coins I'll share with you here. So CVX, CRV, I'm long. T-Fuel, NIA, Leia is probably what I'm quite bullish on. All of these coins are trying to break out. Can you see? Like NIA's already broken out. That's our trade. These are some of the coins, and they all look very similar. Like they're trying to break out. So the question is, please don't like go all in like with 10K, because if one breaks out, you're very likely to break out. But if Bitcoin dumps, all of these will fail. So just be careful. Again, risk management is the first thing. I'm going to look at Gala next for you, Luca. Message me on Twitter. I'll have a... Gala was a good coin for us. And Gala, I actually don't like Gala. I'll share with you a story before I end today's live stream. This is not looking bad. I do like this one. But this spike just gets me a bit concerned. So I'd say, if we come in here, give you a green candle, look to buy that. I'd have stop below there. Maybe like a 1-to-1 trade from here to there. I don't know too much about it to like buy it myself. You get 1.5 trade. But this looks good. If this isn't a fake out, this could have a nice move up. So Gala, I shared a live trade in our Thursday live stream. I shared this trade, and a really nice move in Gala. 4-hour pullback after breakout, hit target. For me, I'm not buying Gala now. I'd buy Gala above here. I'd buy Gala, so above 27 cent. So maybe next week or the week after. Luca, next live stream Sunday. I don't know if I'll do a live stream. I'll probably do a live stream next Sunday as well. If it breaks out like this, I'll buy Gala. I'll share the same setup. And one of the best things about my strategy is like, I might make you money, but my biggest goal is so you don't lose money. That's my biggest goal for you guys. So right, let's talk about, I'll say this quick story, and then I'll review 3 more coins. So comment below final coins, and I'll do 3 more coins before I shoot off. Comment below. I'll do 3 more coins and then I'll go. So the Gala story is, there's a guy in our group. He's a crazy. He already bought Gala, Luca. Okay, we'll see. I hope it works for you, mate. So Gala, I bought Gala here. Same pullback buy. I had initial stop there, and then once it was chopping, I moved my stop loss up here, and I had a decent sized position in this spot position. And yeah, like 5K position on this, and this spike stopped me out, and then look at what it did, like 10x after stopping me out. So that could have turned into 6 figures. I probably would have taken a profit, so it wouldn't have. And then it did have a dip, but this dip happened. I wasn't at my desk when it broke out. You can see like 4 a.m. UK time, and I missed this pump, and after that I've never been able to get back in. So this, I missed like a 10x trade on Gala, and it's been very, very disappointing ever since. So yeah, so I've not traded. This is a very, I've got more stories of coins I've missed than coins I've made money on. People only hear like the good things about like my Luna trade or other coins, but they miss out on all the other big moves. Right, okay, yeah, the ICP is looking good. You could look to buy this. I like it. Yeah, someone in my group just longed ICP, so I think ICP is breaking out. I like ICP. I like it. AVAX. So ICP, hold these low, and I think we head towards 23, 25 next. So AVAX, I shorted AVAX, and I've gone through my short, really big trade. I got stopped out here. I shorted here again, and I took a loser. And again, I'm showing my losers as well. I took a loser in AVAX. And then I wanted to buy AVAX back above here. Unfortunately, I didn't get that fill above there. So for me, if this breaks up, he had DYDX, right? I'm going to do DYDX, mate. That will be the last coin I do. I think you're the first guy who joined my live stream today. You asked about DYDX. Nothing to see here. I'm going to do DYDX next. So AVAX I quite like. I've got an alert here. Breakout above here. I look to buy with stop loss below. I think this heads towards 100. I quite like AVAX. This is also partnered with Luna. Any final coins, guys? I'll do DYDX next. So AVAX, that is AVAX. DYDX, I mean, I took a loser in DYDX, you know. I think this is a really good project, and I took a loser in DYDX here. So I wanted to buy DYDX, I bought it, broke out, then broke down. So I'm not as bullish on DYDX as I was, because this is in a downtrend long term. It's looking bullish now, but long term this is in a huge downtrend. When it's a weekly downtrend, we want to see a lot more structure. So I would even like to see another pullback. Where's the daily high? Daily high is there. I would like to see another pullback in this. Fundamentally, this is a project I really like. Cozier. Yeah, this. I mean, BNB. My sell in BNB was literally at the top. I'll have a quick look at BNB. Something like this I'll be interested in, but I'll probably need a bit more consolidation. I wanted something like that here. We didn't get it. We broke down, and we'll see if we get it here. Right, so let's have a look at BNB as well. How long have I been talking today? Around 15. This is a short setup I shared in BNB. So this pullback here. Yeah, DYDX fundamentally is a great project, but yeah, technically I don't know. I took a loser in DYDX. I think DYDX it pumps. We'll have a look at DYDX again in the future. Yes, my plan is to do another live stream Sunday. Hit that like button. I'll definitely do a live stream next Sunday. And thank you guys. And this is why there's so many bad people in this space in crypto, trading, marketing. I just want you guys to learn from like an actual trader who trade. Then like, you don't pay like 2K course. If it's like mentoring, then yeah, I've paid a lot more money for mentoring. I've paid like 5 figures to learn from traders. But if it's just like a random course, like you'd learn a lot more from like get mentoring and doing the work yourself. There's lots of free content available as well. Yeah, weekly looks good. Flip this weekly MA. I think we head up here. Long term, I think BNB breaks out as well. But I don't know when. Maybe like late this year, next year. If crypto has another bull market, like Bitcoin has 6 figures, BNB will pump. It's still one of the leading crypto exchanges. They're the only people that make money. Okay, guys, well, thank you very much for watching. I'll just quickly round up Bitcoin, and then I'll probably do another live stream next Sunday. And thanks for supporting the content, guys, for like smashing the like button, watching these videos. I really appreciate all of you. Even if you just watch for like 5 minutes, or you like take my course and be a student, I just appreciate all of you for watching. So Bitcoin, guys, for me, I think we see more consolidation, more chop. What I would like to see for altcoin is, like I said, like this. If we see this next week, Gerald, no problem. I see Bitcoin doing this, but as long as Bitcoin don't dump like this, Ethereum below 3K, I'm happy. So Bitcoin above 41, 42, Ethereum above 3K, I'm bullish altcoins, and let's make some money. If we break above here 46K, you can look for scalp longs. Swing trades, I'd probably wait to see like pullback or some type of structure. So that's my thoughts on Bitcoin. So for our altcoin trades, we need crypto Bitcoin to hold above 41, 42, Ethereum above 3K. It's all good for altcoins. Right, thank you very much, guys. What's Ava doing? I've not looked at Ava in a while. Trivala. Is this a Cardano coin? I think this is a Cardano coin. Yeah, needs to flip this. I mean, just quick eyeballing it. Flip weekly MA, flip this resistance. I'll be a buyer, but not for now. Alright, guys, well, thank you very much for watching. My plan is to do another live stream next week. I'll try to do this weekly if I can. We'll see how it goes. And let me post this. If you want to check out our group, guys, I'll leave the links below for you to check it out. April, there'll be a bit of discount for you to check out our group if you want to try it. If not, guys, just hit that like button. I appreciate all of you just watching. And yeah, any questions, let me know. I'll be posting a couple of videos. My plan is to do like a couple of Bitcoin videos during the week. If an altcoin breaks out, make an altcoin video, and I will be planning to making a Luna video on Mars protocol as well. That's my news taking. Why do you say that? Why is that, Luca? All right, no worries, guys. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow? I am doing a live stream tomorrow in the group, but I'll see you guys on Sunday next week, hopefully. Take care, guys, and then yeah, special thanks to people that commented and got involved, like Gerald, Adam, Luca, Nothing to See Here, Malco, and all of you guys. Good night, guys, and let's make some money.